Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible. My name is Oliver, and in today's episode, we're going to be going through some crypto stories, some news stories that I think you'll find rather interesting. Now, before we get stuck into it, why not throw us an early like, get yourself subscribed to Crypto Bible and turn on your notification bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming content pieces, all relating to the world of cryptocurrency. First thing is first though, let's go straight into the market and find out what's going on. So I'm on CoinMarketCap. As always, we check out the top trending coins and the biggest gainers and have a little look at the market. So top 3 trending coins at the moment, we've got Gala, number 1, MetaDoge V2 and Belon DAO in the trending. Biggest gainers, we got MetaPay, Robot Sheep Swap and Nexalt. Then if we come down, we'll have a little look at the top 6 or 7 coins. In the crypto world, we got Bitcoin down 1.07%, trading at $42,000 at 123. ETH down 2.29%, trading under $3,000 at $2,869. BNB down 2%, XRP down 6.4%, Cardano down, Solana down. So it's a little bit of a red day today. Dogecoin down 5.4%. Right, on to the first news article of the day. Okay, this tagline says, Coinbase, free Bitcoin, Super Bowl ad causes site to briefly crash. Now, the Super Bowl was on last night. It was on about 11:30 p.m. for UK residents time. It's massive. The halftime show's big. Coinbase had an advert during the Super Bowl and crashed their site. This is interesting stuff. So their bold QR code advert led to a free Bitcoin promotion that was so popular it crashed their site. Talk about a great marketing strategy. So in brief, their QR code ad proved popular enough to crash the site. Despite the glitch, the ad was well received on social media. Now, Coinbase made the first big crypto splash during this year's Super Bowl after the company aired a bold commercial that consisted of nothing but a QR code floating around the screen for 60 seconds. And I'll show you it in a moment down here. The ad also quickly flashed up a Coinbase URL at the end, leading to a website displaying a promotion for $15 worth of free Bitcoin for new customers who sign up in the next 2 days. So this is a little bit about it, of their promotion. $15 just for signing up. Now, the Coinbase commercial appeared to be a success, perhaps too much. Shortly after it aired, people tweeted that the company's site and app had crashed. So, and they put here, well, that was more popular than we thought. We need a quick timeout. Don't worry, we'll email you when things are back to normal. It's kind of very personal, isn't it? It's very light-hearted. They crashed and they're like, well, that was a little bit more popular. The outage didn't last long. Coinbase site was up a few minutes later, including its homepage that displayed the giveaway promotion, along with messages like, let's talk, more Bitcoin, and wag me. And then we've got here, look, Surrogate just saw more traffic than we've ever encountered while our teams pulled together only to throttle traffic for a few minutes. Very cool. Meanwhile, the ad itself has elicited plenty of buzz on social media, something that an editor at Adweek noted will no doubt please Coinbase marketing team. Look at this tweet here by David Grinner. This is saying, look, Coinbase marketing team right now, super happy with themselves. Just, well, that worked a little bit better than what we thought. Others noted the ad's ultra low production cost compared to typical Super Bowl commercial. And one crypto commentator called attention to Coinbase's technical meltdown, but praised the ads as clever and original. Look how simple this advert is. I'm going to play it for you. So that's all it was. It was literally a thing on the screen. I just got to turn it down. Let me play it for you again. Oh, it's coming out loud. I don't know why. It's just a QR code on the screen, and then that's the end. How simple is that? But that bouncing around QR code created so much traffic for them that it crashed their app and website, and they spent $14 million on that commercial. And brilliant, the metaverse has put. Finally, the ad appeared to make a special impact with a certain market segment. Unfortunately for Coinbase, don't buy crypto. Behold this dog's fascination with a floating QR code. So there we go. We've got another dog looking at the...
I mean, she jumped off and went straight up, or what does it say, Zon?
Just watching it. Just a dog watching it. Absolutely mesmerised. Brilliant. So it's caused quite a bit of a stir. Coinbase ad was hardly the only crypto ad to air. Rival FTX also made its Super Bowl debut with the commercial featuring comedian Larry David, while ads by Bud Light and TurboTax also mentioned cryptocurrency. We are starting to see a little bit more adverts, aren't we, to do with crypto, to get people to adopt crypto. And obviously Super Bowl is a huge event setting for someone like Coinbase to pull off this kind of amazing marketing ploy. Decrypt's full rundown of all things crypto taking place during this year's big game, and then to check out their live blog for timely updates. So what do you think about this advert? I've just shown you the little advert. It's just a QR code bouncing around the screen. Very simple, very retro. Do you think it's a good advert? Do you think it's a smart marketing ploy? Do you think we're going to see a lot more cryptocurrencies, exchanges, brands advertising the crypto space? Let me know what your thoughts are about all of this in the comments down below. Okay, our next article is a little bit of a mixed one. It's about this week on crypto Twitter. So things that have been happening on Twitter relating to crypto. So the last two Bored Ape founders stepped forward, and Buterin pleads with Putin as well. And also Web3 continued to grapple with Twitter cancellation as Super Rare parted ways with a staffer because of lyrics tweeted over a decade ago. So last week, crypto prices mostly fell, but there were a few promising signs of mainstream crypto acceptance around the globe. India and the European Union are preparing their own central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and Russia is drafting legislation to incorporate crypto into the same regulatory framework as foreign currencies. Over on crypto Twitter, drama played out that had nothing to do with prices or CBDCs. So Web3 grapples with harassment and Twitter cancellation. So this is about Dame ETH. So basically, a non-binary Web3 and NFT educator, Dame, shared some of the abuse they've received through encoded messages attached to Ethereum transactions. Very weird. Then there's a bit of Twitter back and forth. Its transphobic messages aren't worth reproducing, but you can view them over on the Dame's Twitter page. She seemed to shrug it off, writing in a follow-up tweet, on the plus side, this person has had to spend $7.16 in order to harass me, LAMO. It turned out that the harasser, unsurprisingly, didn't even get the facts correct, as the Dame explained. And then next day, the Dame received even more abuse. So it's kind of like a bit of abuse going through Ethereum transactions on Twitter, back and forth. The same day, digital art marketplace Super Rare announced it had cut ties with an employee over offensive and racist language in the past. And this is the tweet they have put there, saying they've got Super Rare Labs have got a zero tolerance policy. And then you've got here that the employee was Ashley Christensen, has wrote and said, look, I apologise for the harm and hurt I caused, and I'm stepping down from their role at Super Rare to reflect and learn from mistakes. So there you go. And then if we go down to two remaining Bored Ape founders have unmasked themselves. So last week, BuzzFeed investigation revealed two of the four anonymous creators of the massively successful Bored Ape Yacht Club. So on Tuesday, the remaining two members stepped out of the shadows voluntarily. Here we go. Here's one saying, seems like the cat is out of the bag anyway. So, hi, I'm Kerem, Web2 me versus Web3 me, showing his Bored Ape there. And then Ansas is named Zeshan. Well, here we go. Hey, I'm Zeshan. Nice to meet y'all. Web2 me versus Web3 me. There we go. And then Buterin beseeches Putin. So finally, the creator of Ethereum and Russian national Vitalik Buterin publicly asked Russian President Putin not to invade Ukraine because it will harm humanity. The 28-year-old wrote, whether the situation will return to a peaceful path or there will be a war can now be decided not by Zelensky, not by NATO, but by Kremlin Russia. I hope they choose wisely. And that's his tweet he wrote, obviously in different language. Israeli blockchain investor Maya Zahavi added, Vitalik opining about geopolitics is so rare. It really signals to me how dire the situation is. Putin has deployed forces to menace the Ukrainian border, and many are worried a full-scale invasion is inevitable. So far, over $570,000 in crypto has been sent to Ukrainian NGOs this year, with the bulk of the organizations using it for defense, medical supplies, or cyber warfare. So there you go. There was another article today, a little bit of a mix of things that are on crypto Twitter. We saw the Bored Ape Yacht Club's last 2 people come out voluntarily. We got a little bit on Putin there. What are your thoughts on that article? Do you have any thoughts? Let me know what you think about Coinbase's marketing ad for the Super Bowl. As always, thanks ever so much for joining me for today's episode. Throw me a like, get yourself subscribed to Crypto Bible, and turn your notification bell icon on. Shing, it should make that noise, or kind of, so you never miss any of our upcoming news episodes. And thank you ever so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.